G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty at Hervey Bay. We're today at a fantastic home, 49 Banksia Street in the popular suburb of Point Vernon. We are strolling distance to the Esplanade and this home is sure to tick all your boxes. Let's go and take a look around. Enviably located on a spacious 625 square metre allotment in one of Hervey Bay's most popular seaside suburbs of Point Vernon. This home is within easy walking distance to the Esplanade, where you can enjoy a morning stroll with the first rays of light or take in the last lights of day as they fade out across the bay. This lovely home has been tastefully refurbished throughout with an array of quality appointments, sleek aesthetics and features an open, light-filled design. You will enjoy the fusion of classic lines with modern finishes that really create something special. With an intuitive and creative floor plan, there is definitely more than meets the eye with this home, with an abundance of space to entertain with family and friends all year round. The kitchen really does form the heart of this home and includes an electric stove with range hood, dishwasher, walk-in pantry and ample bench space for entertaining and preparing meals for both everyday and special occasions. This home offers great separation so everyone can enjoy their own space, from the open plan main dining area which seamlessly connects with the outdoor al fresco entertaining area. With that coveted north-facing aspect, you will enjoy Hervey Bay's subtropical year-round temperate climate. You'll even have direct gate access out to Burton Court Park and Recreation Reserve to the rear, where you'll be able to walk the dog or kick the ball with family and friends. There is a second separate vast open plan living area which can be arranged to suit your needs. The spacious main bedroom does include a lovely bay window to the front with built-in storage seat, as well as split system air conditioning and a large walk-through wardrobe into that lavish ensuite. There are a further 3 generous bedrooms, all with built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bathroom has been tastefully refurbished and includes a shower over the bath and a vanity with face level storage and a mirror. The large laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline and there is a separate toilet to the side. There is plenty of space to the front of this home to accommodate a number of vehicles beneath the high entry carport, making it ideal for large RVs, caravans and boats. The owners are not testing the market and have already committed to purchasing another property. So here's your opportunity to call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.